Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. I've been sent this Carlock Basic to fit, test and review. I'm pretty sure I like it because I've got the previous one, which is the plug-in one for the EOBD socket, and I have that on my little Citroen Ami. There's no protection as such on an Ami, so this gives you an alarm. If anybody knocks it, it sends you a message saying it's vibrated or there's a vibration. If they start the engine, you get an alert, and if it moves outside a perimeter that you set on the app, then you get kind of a klaxon alarm. So here we go, here's the box. I'll just show you, hopefully you can see there. So we'll open it up. Activation card, that's got my code on the back to activate. It is a subscription service. I believe you get the first month free, and then you have to pay per month. So I'll just put that away for the moment. This is it. Now, red and black lead, earth and live. I will pick these things up later, so don't worry. So that's it. The leads are protected, and there's a stick-on pad at the back here. So I'm not sure whether it's fused. Connecting it across the battery, I would prefer to see a fuse in it, but anyway, we'll fit it. So now then, have I got my 10mm spanner on me? 1 second. So in order to fit it to the battery, what I'm going to do, I'm going to undo this, and rather than fit it here where it will just squash the terminals out, I'm going to try and fit it in between. Hopefully, is that going to tighten up enough? So this is only temporary, so don't be moaning about my handiwork again. Yeah, that should be better. Somebody sprayed silicone all over this engine. It won't be our valeter, I can tell you that for nothing. But anyway, we'll tuck those wires down there, stick that to the top. There you go, that's it. Now I need to go about. I was just going to shut the bonnet then with my GoPro. It would have been an expensive video. So we'll open the Carlock app to profile, and then add vehicle. So we'll add a vehicle, activation card, which I have here, activation code, click next, select vehicle manufacturer. So this one is a VW Golf, Volkswagen Golf, Europe, London, next. Subscribe to Carlock now. Well, I'm already subscribed. So I'll just click set up later and choose a different plan. So that's it, Volkswagen Golf, it's all done. It expires on 30th of the 5th, 2023. We'll just go to the log, no data, smart lock, Carlock tag disabled, so we'll manage timer lock switch on. So you get out of the car and it automatically switches on after 5 minutes. We'll just try that. Settings, what do I want? Settings, car, imperial, default trip tag, personal, default map type. normal. Siri, no. Monitored circle size normal, I'm going to put small. So back there. Signal loss, smart lock enabled. Mute all, we don't want that. Profile, as I say, it's got mine. All we need to do now is remember to take my GoPro off, which I shall do, and we'll see what happens with this.